Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is triangle shape. This is octagon shape. This is octagon shape. This is pentagon shape. This is pentagon shape. This is circle shape. This is right arrow shape. This is right arrow shape. This is rectangle shape. Triangle, octagon, pentagon, circle, right arrow, rectangle. Dear kids, these are our colors. These are our colors. Let's learn about colors. This is yellow color, sky blue color, purple color, sea blue color, light green color, green color, red color, pink color, brown color. Dear kids, let's fill with colors. This is red color. This is red color. This is triangle shape. This is red color. This is triangle shape. This is green color. This is green color. This is octagon shape. This is green color. This is octagon shape. This is pink color. This is pink color. This is pentagon shape. This is pink color. This is pentagon shape. This is sea green color. Dear kids, this is sea green color. This is circle shape. Next one, this is brown color. This is brown color. This is a right arrow shape. Last one, this is yellow color. This is yellow color. This is rectangle shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is triangle shape, octagon shape, pentagon shape, circle shape, right arrow shape, rectangle shape. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.